Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great in your life and in your studies also. So tomorrow is the day 5 for this to-do list for SBI JA 2022 and I am providing this to-do list daily. So if you are watching this video for the first time, then on my channel I have made a playlist for this to-do list. You can follow from the day 1 and then you can keep preparing, okay? And the second thing I want to tell you is that tomorrow I will upload a video in which I will tell how to prepare prelims and mains simultaneously, because many of you have doubts that how we can prepare mains and prelims both. So I'm gonna discuss this thing in detail in that video. And second thing is that for today I have uploaded a video in which I have told my strategy how I cleared prelims of SBI clerk with 92 marks. So if you are worried about prelims strategy, you can go and watch that video, okay? So first of all, there is prelims mock test and basic calculation like simplification, approximation. And prelims mock test you have to attempt on daily basis, okay? And do not repeat any mistakes which you have done in first mock test. Do not repeat any mistake in the next mock. This is the key. And second thing is that try to complete your syllabus. If you are beginner, then try to complete your syllabus of quants and reasoning specially as soon as possible, and keep preparing for English as well. And if you are already preparing, then you should focus on mains examination, which I will tell you tomorrow. And in this to-do list also I am including mains material also, so you can just follow this and you will have your preparation for prelims and mains both. Then there is reading, editorial and grammar. And for editorial, there is this free editorial provided by Guidely, in which they are providing like there is a editorial in which they are providing grammar rules also. Then there are vocabulary also, and the highlighted, the grammar rules are highlighted in the editorial, so you come to know about the rules which are applied in that editorial. And it is free of cost. It is updated daily on their website, so you can go and check. I will give you link in the description. Then there is, this is most important, practice mixed questions of mains of quants and reasoning, okay? You have to complete 25 questions in both quant and reasoning, and these questions will be mixed mains questions, okay? Like 3 to 4 coding decoding, then 3 to 4 questions of main silogs, then miscellaneous arithmetic questions, wrong number series like the 3 number series pattern, and mixed DIs also. So you will get these things in the Guidely's bundle PDF course which they are providing. And this bundle PDF course they are providing for all the examinations, and for which you will use the mains bundle PDF, okay? And you do not have to worry about, they are just providing daily mains questions, so you can go and check that out. It is really good. Like many students have told about the good level of Guidely, so I will give you the link of Guidely's PDF course in the description. You can go and check that out. It is really good. Then there is 2 mains level RCs and 20 miscellaneous questions. These questions will also be covered from their PDF bundle, so no need to worry about the material. Then there is current affairs. If you want to start preparing for current affairs, then start from March, because there are speculation that the mains is in August, okay? So March, April, May, June, July, August. So start from March, but I advise you to start from April, because 5 months are enough. But if you want to start and if you are targeting for other examinations, then go for AffairsCloud's pocket PDF. It is really good, and if you use my code on their website, then you will get 10% discount also. AffairsCloud link will be given in the description. Then there is weak areas, so you have to pay attention to your weak areas and try to give 1 to 2 hours on daily basis. Like if you are weak in syllogism question, then attempt them, practice them. If you are weak in mixture allegation chapter, then you will solve the questions, you will understand the basics. Or if you are weak in English, you will give extra efforts for English. So it is difficult for every aspirant, so I have just written it as it is. So this was day 5, and if you people are following it religiously, then I can surely say you will clear 1 or 2 or 3. I cannot say that, but yeah, you will have a job in 2022 for sure, because I have made this to-do list after thinking a lot, and I have included new things in this, and I have included something different, a different strategy this is, okay? And you will not get bored. So that is all. I wish you all the best. Thank you.